What is going on, Ape Nation? Happy Saturday, happy weekend, and yeah, what else can I say? Anyhow, I've got a video for you today that's going to be very short, but yet still very important. Important enough for me to make it on the weekend so that you guys can watch it. We are going to get into it right away, but before we do, I do ask that you guys go ahead and smash that like button so that this video gets shared with every single ape out there so that everyone's on the same page. And also, if you're new here, if you're not a subscriber yet, what in the hell are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap that notification bell so that you're notified every single time that I drop a video. Here's what we're going to discuss today. So, number one, I do want to talk about trolls, but not just any type of trolls. I'm going to bust someone out today. I'm going to call somebody out that deserves to be called out. And I would never do that to anybody that's just a disgruntled subscriber or a disgruntled ex-subscriber. I'm calling this person out because I fear that they're trying to spread FUD and get you to sell your AMC shares. And this person's not just on my channel, they're on everybody else's YouTube comments, trying to basically spread a bunch of fear, rumors, doubts about AMC stock. So I want to go ahead and put this person on blast so that everyone's aware and that you're not reacting based on what this person is telling you. We're going to do that today. Also, what I want to talk about is give you an update on AMC stock and where we're at as far as, that MOASS is concerned. Now, everybody knows that I love MOASS. Everybody knows that everybody loves MOASS. Who the hell would not love to get some MOASS in their life? So, which one should I do first? The MOASS or the blasting? Well, let's do the MOASS first. So, I told you guys in the last video, well, no, not the last video, but my video on Friday, we needed to be above the resistance level of $43.33 in order to continue going up that stairway to heaven, so to speak. And you know what? We're still holding above the first resistance level that I mentioned, which was like $39 and something odd cents. I can't remember the exact numbers, but those are no longer important because we stayed above that level. So who the hell needs to know those numbers? All you need to know is that the next destination that we are headed to, that AMC stock is headed to, that the apes are headed to, is $43.33. It may take us a little bit of time to go there or to get there, and that's normal. That's called consolidation. So right now we're consolidating. We are at $40.74. That's where we closed at during the last trading session. So yeah, we're still good to go, baby. As soon as we bust up to that level of $43.33, yeah, it's going to be MOASS time. So that's all we're waiting on, but it may take us a little bit of time to get there. So that's all you need to know. As long as we don't drop below about $39, we're safe. We're good to go. If we drop below $39, I'm going to make an updated video and let you guys know where we're at. But as long as we stay above that $39 and something cents level and go, keep heading towards $43.33, we're good no matter how long it takes us to get there. Overall, like I said in the last video, the trend right now looks bullish, or at least the long-term trend does. The sentiment is bullish. We just need some more volume, and that's all there is to it. That's the only thing you need to know, baby. Yeah. But now let's get into the important topic of these trolls. Now, there's a guy named Bob Gutter. Maybe his name is Gutter Bob. Hell, I don't know. Either way, it sounds trashy. He sounds trashy. He's a piece of trash, and we need to take him out. And by that, I mean we need to take the trash out. So if you see this little ass clown in my comments talking about, basically talking bad about AMC, talking bad about the MOASS, I don't know, this guy doesn't like MOASS. Who the hell doesn't like MOASS? Who the hell doesn't like AMC? Who in the hell is watching AMC videos if you do not believe in AMC stock? I'll tell you who. It's those that are hired by Ken Griffin and Virtue and whoever else to come on there, come onto my channel in the comment section and everybody else's channels that's reporting on AMC and spread a bunch of FUD. So if you see it reported, point them out, call them out, tell them to get the hell out. It's kind of like, the devil. You got to tell them to leave. You got to tell them to leave you alone and get the hell up out of here. Get the hell up out of my channel, bruh, because you're messing it up for us. Really, he's not. He's just a little weak-ass bitch. But when he comes on here and spreads FUD, some people that do not understand what's going on may get frightened, scared, and tested a little bit, and they may fail the test. We don't want them to fail. We want everybody to succeed. So if you see this little ass clown named Bob Gutter, let him know in the comments section that he's a little bitch. And that's all I have about that topic. But there's one more topic that I need to discuss. And that's the topic concerning my last video that I put out, which was something concerning Ken Griffin and virtue, where I made some sarcastic comments. That's right, it was just sarcasm, where I said, oh my gosh, maybe I should apologize to Ken Griffin because I've disgraced his name, and I thought that all my subs would understand that. But apparently some of you did not. Now, I'm not talking shit to none of you guys. I still love you. But I'm just mad at myself that I didn't make the video good enough to... I wasn't sarcastic enough for y'all to get the message to know that I'm just messing around. I'm not really apologizing to Ken Griffin. Are you kidding me? Are you crazy? Do you think that this guy would apologize to Ken Griffin? Man, I'm sitting here eating a damn banana in my video, and you think I'm going to apologize to Ken Griffin? Heck to the no, okay? That was all part of the show, and you got to know when it's part of the show. Delicious banana, by the way. I'm not apologizing to Ken Griffin. Ken Griffin is a piece of spit, but I still don't respect him, and I still don't love him, and I still want you guys to understand that. Does that make sense? So just know that when you hear me saying anything nice about Ken Griffin in my videos, it's called sarcasm. Which brings me to another point. You guys need to watch the entire damn videos before commenting and talking bad about me and saying, man, he paid you off, I'm unsubscribing. No, bruh, you just didn't watch the entire video, and that's why you're lost in the sauce. Okay, so do me a favor, get unlost in the sauce, watch the entire video while I'm eating my banana, and then you'll know Ken Griffin gets zero respect on my channel. I've dedicated my life to making that guy's life a living hell. Okay, so respect me for that if you respect me for nothing else. That's all I have for you today. I told you it was going to be a short video, but yeah, please go ahead and smash that like button if you have not already. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. Otherwise, you're going to miss content just like this every single day because it's coming out every single day. Tap that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video because you're going to want to watch this shit. Okay, now, I love you guys, and I will see you guys on Sunday or maybe Monday if I fail to report to you on Sunday because it's the weekend, baby, and I got a party. Yeah.